Hey traders, someone asked me to test this specific strategy made by online trading signals. He asked it to me on YouTube. Please backtest online trading signals, latest Bollinger Band strategy. So I said, okay, let's do that, and I instantly went into it. I'm really interested in this strategy. I think this might be one of my best strategies tested ever. So let's find out. So we are going to start with a clean chart. We are on a 50-minute BTC USDT. I'm going to have only one indicator. That's going to be the Bollinger Bands. Nothing else is needed. It should be on the default settings. Let's make sure we have the same settings. Length 20, depth and offset to 0. That's it. It's really simple. You need 3 confirmations, just one pattern in this strategy, and you will just have to look for it every time. And the first one is going to be that the price should go above the Bollinger Bands. You have multiple times here, but these ones didn't go according to the pattern, but this one did. So I'm gonna draw right here. This is gonna be number 1. It went above it. When it went back, it touched the lower band or went over it. That's number 2. And the third one, it should reject on the middle line. The wick touched it right there, so this one is a valid rejection. So this one is gonna be number 3. You do not enter immediately, you just draw a trend line from number 1 to number 3, including the wicks. And when this trend line is broken, then you take a long position, right there. You can put the stop loss on the Bollinger Band bottom or underneath the last swing low. That's always personal. For me it's a bit depending on how low the lowest low is. For this one would be valid for me, and you do it times 1.5, and this is one position you can take with this strategy. This is actually it. I'm going to show you a few more also for a short position, but you recommended it to use the Bollinger Bands for the long positions, but you could still take short positions. That's just up to you, but let me show you one more. If you want to trade like with some BYBIT, please use our referral code down in the description below. You can get up to $600 in bonus. You will help us out, and we hope we can help you out. We would appreciate it a lot. Let's continue with the video. So here's one more long position. Number 1 right there. Number 2, it's gone twice, but you just redraw it every time. So the last one should be there. And we got a rejection in the middle right there. So this one is number 3. And what we do in number 3, we draw a trend line on the top of the wicks, like that. When this one is broken, you take a long position. Well, I don't have to draw it in. I hope you can see that we would have taken a profit. Let me show you one more just to be clear. Just before my last one, I see another one. Here's one, went above it with some big wick. The second one is here, after that it's here. Number 3, we got rejected there, we didn't touch the top, with a strong candle downwards. So right here we had number 3. We draw a trend line on top of it, and when it gets broken, you would take a long position. Let me look for one short position right now. So right here we have a short position. This is going to be 1 because it goes underneath the bottom. After that, number 2, it goes above it, and after that it got rejected. It didn't go all the way through, and it went back, and it instantly went down again. But this one is a rejection because you had a close on top of the middle one. Again, so you draw a trend line right there. You take a short position after that. So this is going to be it for showing it. Right now I'm gonna do 100 back tests. It's gonna take a while. I might skip a big part of it because the video will be way too long. But yeah, just keep watching. You can put it in slow motion if you want to see my entries. And I'll come back with you with results. So right now I've done 50 tests and only 10% is in the profit, so that's really bad. And I think we can skip a lot of trades when we would add a 200 EMA just to trade in a current trend, but you get way less signals. But everything is wrong at this point. And the main reason, in my opinion, is that you're just trading against trends. Right here we went short, right here we went long. Right here we went short, right here we went long. And it's just not working. It's in my opinion, it's not a good strategy. So what I'm going to do I'm going to start over and do 100 tests. At least I try to do 100 tests. I just go back in time as far as I can go and go until the point now and see how many trades I can take. It might even be only 50 or so, but if there's a high profit, it's always worth it. So yeah, I'm gonna redo the test with the 200 EMA because this is definitely not working at all. Okay, I can tell you that I did not expect this after the first back test, but I've done 100 trades. It took me 90 days, which is for the 15 minutes. Not the worst, not the best. I think it's just decent for that time, and it's worth it to check every day. Set some alarms if you see something coming up. It has a win percentage of 63%, which is really high on a 1.5 risk reward. The gain on account is a bit higher than the Fu Manchu. That's just because I'm using swings and not a always 0.4 and 0.6 of risk reward. Yeah, it's really good. I think I'm gonna combine this one, or at least add this one to my portfolio. If you like this one, you should do it as well. Maybe also use something like a volume oscillator, just to have some more confirmations. But in my opinion, it's really good. Or just add an ADX. There's a lot of what you can do, but I like the 1 through 3 pattern. It's quite common to use, and with the Bollinger Bands, yeah, I like it a lot. If you like a video like this, please subscribe. Also, subscribe and like the video of online trading signals where I got the strategy from. Yeah, I hope to see you in the next one. And please use this strategy. If you are going to use it, please back test it first for yourself. So see you in the next one. Cheers.